So Chandigarh Urban Festival is primarily a public participation, collective participation interface to own and participate and interact with the city. And I think there is no escaping a platform like that for any city at all in the future. We talk about sustainability, we talk about democracy, the world is talking about these principles, and how better living spaces, living environment, built forms where we raise a better next generation and the next generation. So this is all very, very pertinent to the questions that we are all facing today. Yeah. So an interface for public participation is the only way, because any good idea, any sustainable development goal, smart city goal, or any other name that comes and goes, without community owning it up right from its conception and to its implementation and taking it forward, community needs to participate. That's the essence. So this was the idea why we had to form this, especially so because of the importance of the city, and even more important was that nothing such existed. There is in Chandigarh no formal platform uh, which has any kind of accountability or statutory backing that exists in Chandigarh for public to participate or question. So everything is in parts. Going forward, need basis, we have been improvising, because we didn't start with any fixed blueprint that this is what we will do, this is what we will not do. Our idea was art and architecture and urbanism for betterment of life, they have to come together, and without people understanding and owning it, it cannot happen. So we've had to conduct events in the sectors, because that's the building block of Corbusian legacy, or a repeatable unit that we have been given, and our city is very lucky actually to have something like that. So we've had events which are sector focused, then we've had events which are city scale to bring in pride and bring in something which brings out the true cultural flavor of the city. We have such refined citizens here, we have such passionate people, we have youngsters, we have people from all over, but the avenues for them to participate together are limited. So we've had city celebration events, then we've also had brainstorming and idea events in this thing. So all of this has been developing or evolving as we kept on interacting and seeing the situation that this information is missing. Okay, maybe we also need to teach ourselves where we are going and what are the gaps. So process of Chandigarh conversation was also driven out of this, that let's have little understandable videos on the major issues that the city is facing. We have a lot of passion here, but the direction is missing, and consolidated effort is missing, continuity is missing. So all good intentions are not getting translated because of the ad hoc nature. So all of these events finally crystallized into three major initiatives, and we have been putting in a lot of our personal resources to get this going. We keep finding volunteers and well-intentioned people who push us and help us out in various big and small ways. So if we've come this far, I'm sure we'll take things to some logical conclusion.